regarding the question of using 32/0 wire conductors, that is, 2 hot conductors and 1 ground, in 2-inch polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, pipe, the answer is no. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, dictates the allowable fill for conduits to prevent overheating and ensure safe operation. The maximum number of 2/0 American wire gauge, or AUG, conductors permitted within a 2-inch PVC conduit is 2. Therefore, to accommodate 32/0 AWG conductors plus a ground conductor, you would need to select a larger conduit size. This is because overcrowding a conduit can lead to several issues, including difficulty in pulling the wires, potential damage to the conductor insulation during installation, and most importantly, reduced heat dissipation. Conductors generate heat when carrying current. If the heat cannot dissipate effectively, the temperature of the conductors can rise, leading to insulation degradation, reduced current carrying capacity, and potentially electrical failure or fire. The NEC provides tables and guidelines to determine the appropriate conduit size based on the number, size, and type of conductors being installed. These tables take into account the conductor's insulation type, the conduit material, and the desired fill percentage. Selecting the correct conduit size is crucial for maintaining a safe and reliable electrical system. Always consult the NEC and local electrical codes to ensure compliance and to select the appropriate conduit size for your specific application. Overfilling a conduit violates the National Electrical Code and can cause overheating and potentially lead to a fire.